Planning a baby shower and want it to look absolutely stunning? Whether you're going for a sweet and elegant vibe, a fun and playful theme, or a trendy and modern look, the right decorations can make all the difference. In this video, I'm sharing 10 creative baby shower decoration ideas to make your event unforgettable. Plus, stick around until the end for a special tip on a simple but impactful decor element that will instantly wow your guests.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are the best table decorations for a baby shower? The tables are the centerpiece of any baby shower, so decorating them beautifully is a must. One idea is using elegant table runners in soft pastel shades, paired with floral centerpieces to add a fresh and sophisticated touch. Another creative way to style your tables is incorporating personalized name cards, themed plates, and napkins that match your chosen baby shower theme. If you want a show-stopping centerpiece, a diaper cake decorated with ribbons, stuffed animals, or baby essentials makes both a cute and practical decor piece. Want to see some of my favorite baby shower table decor finds? Check the description for links. How can I choose a baby shower theme? Selecting a theme is the foundation of your baby shower decor, setting the tone for everything from invitations to table settings. One of the most popular themes is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, featuring soft pastels, star-shaped decorations, and fairy lights for a dreamy feel. Another adorable idea is a woodland baby shower, incorporating rustic elements, greenery, and cute forest animal decor. For a chic and modern look, a boho baby shower with neutral tones, macramé details, and pampas grass arrangements can be a stylish choice. What are some creative DIY baby shower decorations? Adding personal DIY touches to the decor makes the baby shower feel even more special. A fun and easy project is creating a clothesline with adorable baby onesies and socks as decor, which also doubles as a gift for the parents-to-be. Another cute idea is handmade centerpiece jars filled with baby pacifiers, rattles, or fresh flowers for a soft and elegant look. If you love crafting, personalized signage with hand-painted messages or chalkboard-style welcome signs add a unique and customized element. Love DIY decor? Check the description for my favorite DIY baby shower decoration ideas. How can I create a beautiful balloon display? Balloons add a festive and magical touch to any baby shower, and there are so many creative ways to use them. A stunning option is creating a balloon arch in the entrance or around the dessert table using pastel or gender-themed colors. If you want something more unique, a balloon garland with different sizes and textures adds a whimsical effect to the decor. Personalized balloons, such as one spelling out baby or the baby's name, are also a great way to add a special touch to the space. Love balloons? Comment below with your favorite baby shower balloon color scheme. What's the best way to decorate a baby shower dessert table? The dessert table is one of the highlights of a baby shower, and decorating it beautifully makes it even more exciting. A great way to start is by using a themed cake stand or tiered trays to display cupcakes, cookies, and other sweet treats in a visually appealing way. Another fun idea is setting up a candy bar with pastel-colored treats, mason jars, and cute labels for a fun and interactive touch. To complete the look, adding floral arrangements, mini balloons, or baby-themed cake toppers will make the dessert table picture perfect. Planning a sweet dessert table? Subscribe for more party decorating ideas. With these 10 baby shower decoration ideas, you can create a beautiful and memorable celebration for the parents-to-be. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to my favorite baby shower decor finds. Happy decorating!